I could really just play this whole video. I could literally just play this whole video and make the same point, but let's just listen for a little bit.
Congratulations to baby boomers, man. Congratulations to baby boomers. I can't believe it. I'll be honest, I was rooting against you like you were the Patriots in the 2000s, baby. I was hate watching you so hard. Oh my goodness, man. Congratulations to the boomers. I got a secret for boomers. Oh man, I got a secret for boomers. You're going to love this. Gen Z is being predictably programmed by elites to go to war. Yeah. Yeah, Nick Fuentes is telling them who's best friends with Cheezer and Clavicular and Neon or whoever that the world war with Iran is inevitable. He says it constantly. He's best friends with all these streamers who are either anti-Israel or all they talk about is Epstein. You know, they're getting the Gen Z people really mad about the you know who's, right? We can't talk about who the you know who's are. Anyway, boomers, congratulations, man, because you're like the damn Patriots, man. You're like the Patriots when they had Tom Brady, Julian Edelman, and I was a Cowboys fan. You know, I was I was hate watching you guys so hard, but then one day I went to work and this guy, he lived in Dallas his whole life, never stepped foot in Boston. He said his favorite team was the Patriots. And I said, "You're a bandwagoner. You're a this, you're a that." And you know what he said to me? He said, "I root for greatness. I root for greatness." And that always stuck with me, man. Fuck the Cowboys. Fuck being a homer. Fuck all that. I'm hopping on the boomer bandwagon, baby. Let's go. I'm not getting drafted. I'm low key reaching unk status. It's Gen Z getting predictably programmed for war. World War Mog has officially erupted after the ASU frat leader refused to sign the peace treaty with number two ranked Chad Androgenic. All these streamers are best friends with Nick Fuentes. Nick Fuentes is telling them war with Iran's coming, and you know what? He's right. He's right. And Michael Gay telling you that the Black Swan is coming, he's right. He's right. You should follow Michael Gay. I think that's his name. Treasury bonds.
Yeah, I mean, I could play my like last 5 videos. I could play a lot of videos. I could go through dozens of tweets. And I'm not really too happy about this. You know, I'm going all in oil ETFs.
Every cipher of gematria. Favorite streamers. And Nick Fuentes is constantly warning people that there's gonna be a war with Iran. They shouldn't vote because there's gonna be a war with Iran. And the whole time, Nick Fuentes is plugging uh, Clavicular. The number two ranked Chad Androgenic meets up with Connor Murphy to strategize the next move in World War Mod, studying the ASU frat leaders' steroid and peptide cycle. Oh my goodness, man. World War Mog with clavicular and look smacking, maxing. Oh man, and you feel so bad for these Gen Z sheep. That's really what's going on, man. The Gen Z, they think they're woke. They think they're woke, waking up to Israel. Oh my God, this is called Kabbalah. This comes from J word mysticism. Oh my, I can't even do this, man. I'm in getting into debt to buy all in Bitcoin. Oh my god. Oh my
Just look at these right here. 96%, sorry, 899% unusual options volume on Marathon Petroleum Corp. Right next to it, we had a 96% call bias. Right next to it, 450,000 calls bought on ConocoPhillips, 961% unusual options volume. I'm not really like happy about this, guys. I'm not, you never want to say you're right. I'm not trying to brag. I'm really not. Um, this video might give people some closure about what's coming in the future. I don't mean to scare anyone, but
god. I'm about to have a heart attack. Gen Z thinks they're woke. They're going against. Oh my god. Gen, Gen Z thinks they're going against Israel. Nick Fuentes has them on this anti-Israel stick. Sneeko has them on this. Oh my! I can't laugh. I follow Zach. I can't laugh. Oh my god. ConocoPhillips, 98% unusual options volume. The you know who's are loading up the calls on Gen Z while Nick Fuentes and Clavicular prepare them for war.
yeah, I mean, and this wasn't just last week. I mean, I know they played this up in the media recently. January 13th, World War III is going to start this year. Let's read this. Operation Blackjack, Project Zephyr, World War III is going to start this year. The charts and geopolitics are saying currency collapse. I know that's hard to believe right now. Oil is next, January 13th. This is forecasting some bizarre geopolitical wars. Things are about to get crazy in the Middle East. IMPP can rally to 11. That was January 13th. I'm talking nuclear wars and fake alien invasions. That was also January 13th. Now we have the UFOs being declassified. This is literally the book of Revelation being played out. The war between Gog and Magog, the war in heaven. And they're playing out the book of Revelation, and they're going to have alien Jesus come back, and alien Muhammad's going to come back. The aliens are going to come back, and they're going to. They're gonna save us from nuclear annihilation. You know, I mean,
چه جالب داره میدرخشه. این چیه تو آسمون؟ چه جالب داره میدرخشه. نه ستاره است نه چیزی. اون داره حرکت میکنه.
aliens are watching. They wanted me to do this to you guys. They wanted me to feed you guys this alien crap, and I said no. And they really came after me for that. Aliens are watching. A bright orb-shaped UFO was spotted today over Karaj, Iran, ahead of the Israeli American airstrikes. So they're going to tell you guys that the aliens are going to stop the war. And this isn't going to be like last year where it all blows over after a couple weeks. I think this is going to be a pretty long-term thing. Oxy, I pointed out they were buying straddles before it exploded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. ABC wave 2. The length of wave 1 places the wave 2 low, takes Oxy to 104 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, Oxy is going to 147. Cosmos, I made a video about this 5 minutes ago. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 3, shallow wave 4, wave 5 that ends with momentum divergence, 5 waves up, wave 1, wave A, ABC, wave 2, wave B, KOS is going up to 8.97 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, Cosmos is going to 16. Sugar, they had unusual options. Volume on sugar hasn't started yet. But 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 of wave 3. The length of wave 1 places the wave 2 low, gives a wave 3 target of 15 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, sugar CANE is going up to 22. First Majestic, bubba bubba, bang. Just absolutely perfect. French kiss. ExxonMobil, bang. Shout out to Jason. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. ABC wave 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 of wave 3. Massive leading indicator for the rest of XLE. Stocks like Oxy, stocks like Devon Energy that haven't broken out to new highs yet are certainly going to follow ExxonMobil as it rallies up towards 185. Agribusiness, more food. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2. The length of wave 1 places the wave 2 low, gives a wave 3 target of 125. So I pointed out the historic gold and silver to oil ratios in late 2025. I talked about how fundamentally and technically there was going to be massive evidence for a huge rotation into oil. This was December of 2025, well before Maduro was captured, well before lots and lots of geopolitical events that made this war seem more likely. I was talking about how we were going to rotate from gold and silver into energy and how oil was going to follow platinum. Move to 175 for waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Food prices going up with oil, food prices going up with soybeans. TLT, the rate cuts, the black swan. I made a whole video about this. Wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2. The length of wave 1 places the wave 2 low, gives a wave 3 target of 94.42 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, TLT is going up to 100. Probably rather swiftly, no pun intended. Uranium, just perfect. Yeah, it's going to get nuclear. I think it's going to get nuclear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. ABC wave 2. 1, 2. I said the sacrifice of Nuno Lareño was telling elites to buy uranium. Obviously, that was crazy. I'm crazy. Cuckoo. Cuckoo puppy trades. Schizo pup can't be drafted though. Oops, that was an accident. Didn't do that on purpose. The length of wave 1 places the wave 2 low, gives a wave 3 target of 71. You know, might get scary. Nah, you don't need to worry. Just move west to I-5. You'll be fine. I'm wrong about the earthquake. I'm right about everything else, but I'm wrong about the earthquake. Oh yeah, Iran and China and America don't have earthquake weapons, and they're not gonna blame aliens on the earthquake. I'm just making that up. URA going up to 84 for waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Verizon. I made the bizarre claim that the outage was actually a signal to buy Verizon. I believe there's going to be a massive cyber attack. We're going to lose internet connection. Several websites are going to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. ABC wave 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. ABC wave 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 of wave 3. They're buying straddles on Verizon and AT&T. Look for the internet to go down. Look for Verizon to go to 69 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, Verizon's going to 100. It's going to double. You're going to notice all the stocks with really quality dividend yields that are supported by high earnings per share. All those yields are going to go away all at the same time. It's all a coincidence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1 for XOP, ABC wave 2. ExxonMobil is leading XOP. The length of wave 1 places the wave 2 low, takes XOP to 242 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, XOP is going up to 96. It's just a good time, maybe to remind you guys. Unusual options volume screen. I know this war was looking more and more imminent, but a lot of people don't realize like how people profit from this. Lockheed Martin, 99% call bias, 1,277% unusual options volume for LMT. Imperial Petroleum, I talked about how this stock goes crazy when things get crazy in the Middle East. One, two, three, four, five, wave 1, ABC wave 2, 1, 2, wave 3 of wave 3, up to 7.47 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, IMPP can go up to 11. Transocean made a video about this in October, November. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2. The oil was not popular, and the idea we were going to start World War III was not in anyone's mind at all. Rig going up to 10.27 for wave 3 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, Transocean is going up to 17. ConocoPhillips, bang. I pointed out the unusual options volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2. The length of wave 1 takes place of the wave 2 low, gives a wave 3 target of 200 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, place of the wave 4 low, we can see COP go up to 311. Sorry, that's 258. 311 is XOP. Japan earthquake 311. Pandemic declared 311. 311. Oh, TRX Gold Corp. Yeah, I mean, what do you want? What do you want me to say? I'm the greatest. I'm the GOAT. This is going to be a long time. Wave 1, ABC wave 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 of wave 3. TRX is going up to 9.1. Yeah. I mean, What do you want me to say, man? INDO. I didn't chart this one, but it was trending on StockTwits. It blew up the last time we had a war. Looks very bullish. 1, 2, wave 3. Very clean. I might buy INDO. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, up to 88 before shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, INDO can squeeze to 172. So we can see some absolutely crazy mayhem go on in the Middle East. And I predicted all of it, not just recently, but in January and December. And I talked about unusual ratios with the gold and silver. I pointed out the very reliable correlation to platinum. This is from January 18th. I pointed out natural resources was leading XLE. You know, this whole video, the entire video, is me saying that Gen Z was being predictively programmed to get drafted for war in the Middle East. I believe there's going to be nuclear detonations. I believe there's going to be cyber attacks. And I do believe there's going to be a fake alien invasion. And I unfortunately have to be the bearer of bad news. I do believe there's going to be a draft. Draft kings, draft the kings. Pretty messed up, but this is how they work. The stock market, the Dow Jones, is controlled by blood sacrifice. It's impossible to deny that if you look at oil at all, basically at any point in history, every oil rally. I mean, have they ever said oil? They have this nonsense where they say, "Oh, the economy makes oil go up." No, war makes oil go up. We'll get into some more war stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, 5 waves up for DraftKings. ABC wave 2. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low takes DraftKings to 65. I like it above 21. There's a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. And wave 4 retests the wave 1 high. And wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low. DraftKings can go up to 97. Draft the Kings. The young kids call it themselves Kings. Yeah, I mean, I'm not thrilled, but I called this perfectly. I used fundamentals, I used uh, correlation analysis, and I used the best Elliott wave in the world to predict all of this. And yeah, they're gonna have Space Jesus, they're gonna have Space Muhammad, probably Krishna and Vishnu and Brahman, and all gonna come back, and they're up in Planet Nibiru or whatever.